Welcome back to the Daily Show with Spiral Strategies, giving you the latest updates in the crypto markets. Let's get started. Alright guys, as we head into our most anticipated event of the year, the Bitcoin halving, it's been widely anticipated from all around the world, and lots of news coming as of late, and we'll quickly just watch that countdown timer. We've got about 12 hours to go before that is completed. Now let's quickly dive into the price action on Bitcoin over the past couple of hours here. Now on our previous analysis, we did expect, especially this squiggly line theory, we did expect it to kind of retest the $60,000 level, and it's done that quite nicely, although it did kind of go up and retest this $70,000 level before it broke down. And we showed you guys these key levels on our daily updates as well. Now the real question is, where do we go from here? And it's a great question, but the sad truth of it is it's going to be in a sideways kind of market until we can kind of break these key levels up here. These are massive resistance points, especially this one here, and it's going to be hard to reclaim this $72,000 level on both market structure and a time horizon level. I don't see it coming back up and reclaiming this level very easily, because we still have multiple bear market structures that need to be resolved here. Now it's going to be interesting to see how we kind of play out if we can keep breaking past these key resistances here, which is we've got a main one here at 66,880. We've got another key resistance at 68,350, and obviously our $69,000 level. And we'll have to keep our eyes out just to see how we kind of test these levels. It's most likely going to come up and retest that $69,000 level and reject. But we're going to keep you guys updated as we get closer and closer to these kind of levels here as well. On a 4-hourly time frame, our MACD is showing us confirmed divergences here. So on the whole, it's quite bullish in the short term. However, in the face of a longer term bear that's working, which is this kind of M top structure smiley face that we're seeing here. I'll quickly draw this for you guys, but we've got this really bad double top M structure that's coming in, which is kind of working as well. So at the moment, neither bear nor bull, but leaning towards bear. If we break below that $60,000 level, we're going to really come down and retest that $50,000 level. But until we can see some more sideways action, some more structure, it's going to become more clear whether we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. But you can kind of see that we're getting mixed signals again, although we did have that breakdown on our MACD. On our daily, we're kind of we are holding this kind of level, and it is good to see that as well. But I guess if we break it down to like a 4-hour time frame, we're gonna have to take a quick look at our volume profile just to see how healthy it is. And the truth of it is, it's actually showing us that potentially filling this little gap here that we're currently sitting on, the $65,000-ish level, it's gonna look really bad if we can't break above this, because this volume profile has been filled quite nicely, and we're missing some price discovery in this gap here, which is ranging from $54,000 to $60,000. So like I said, guys, we've got a key POC here that's working at $50,000, and that's probably where we're heading if we really struggle to break above this key level here, which is at $66,850, and I'll quickly draw us just a trend line as well, just so we can get a gauge of what needs to happen if we're going to look bullish on the other side of this halving event. So we've got a nice downtrend line here working, and if we're not going to be able to really show bullishness until we get on the other side of this and really show some positive market structure and really try and tackle that $72,000 level. So it's still looking quite bearish on our 4-hourly time frame, even though we've got positive MACD structure. If we kind of don't get above this key level here, and we can't get above on the other side of this trend line after the halving, it's going to look really bad. But by the looks of it, it's that coming into this halving event, we've kind of priced in Bitcoin already, so we are looking for a bear move back down here. And we at Spiral Strategies would say this is probably we're saying a 60% chance that we kind of come back down at a 50%. So it's almost a coin flip, but odds are us getting up into this level. The odds are quite slim. They're not zero, but it's not great. We'd say 40% chance that we can get up above here and really start breaking above these key levels. But we'll have to keep our eyes out on our price action and the charts in the coming days as well. So we'll keep you guys posted on that as well. But that was our analysis there on Bitcoin. We'll quickly head on over into Ethereum just to see how that's going for us. Same thing here, guys. We had our squiggly line theory working, where we told you guys that we'd come down and really test this $2,920 level, and look what it's done. It's pretty much tagged it twice, and showing us that we're kind of in this kind of range here. It's a bit hard to see, but we're in this $3,580 range and $2,921 range. So currently sitting on that kind of range on Ethereum and working our way as well, just to see what levels we can test. But as you guys can see here as well, this this yellow support and resistance that we had drawn on previously in our previous daily shows, you can really see it at work, where we've bounced up. We couldn't close above or create positive market structure above this key level, which was 36,000, and we then broke back down and then retested this key level here, this key support and resistance, which was at 3,200. We broke below it, but then we found support at our $29,000 level and came back up, and lo and behold, we retest this $3,200 level, and we're kind of just in this kind of range at the moment. But chances are there's a strong possibility that this downtrend momentum just continues to drive us down into this $2,500 level. So that's what we're thinking here at the moment at Spiral Strategies. It's not what you want to hear, but it's what's most likely going to happen just based off of what we're seeing into this halving event. And we've been telling our viewers here and our subscribers on our newsletters that we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to be priced in as we come into this halving event and retrace and calm down. We've had a lot of bullish momentum pre-halving, which was quite unexpected, but at the same time, ever since the news of that Bitcoin ETF coming out, that's kind of what's driven this kind of market speculation as well. So, but good to see, and also just just be aware, be cautious, because we still can see further dips. So those dips will be buying opportunities. Obviously, don't be over leveraged. We have previously told you guys that being leveraged is not the way to go unless you're very experienced. So we'll leave it there for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more content. Peace.